Hi guys! Good morning! For today's video, you will see what's in Dahilayan Adventure Park in Bukidnon. So, I will bring you with me and let's see how this goes. We're here, guys! Guys, we are already here sa Dahilayan Forest Park Resort. Arrive guys, you will pay the ticket. You will pay the ticket here. How much is it? Guys, this is the entrance fee. 11 years old and above is 100 pesos. 2 to 10 is 50 and senior citizen 72. Yes. What are those? A snake! Is that a very tall animal? Very tall? Careful, careful! Do you like the elephant? You like the elephant? So big! So big, right? So big? Do you like it? Ay, ito yun. 3 years old. So, let's go! Wow! Sige. Thank you! So, guys, this is our ticket. And ito yung entrance, guys, pagsalod ninyo. Na yung mga dulaanan. Tapos souvenir shop. Souvenir shop. Tapos food here. So guys, ito yun. So may mga animals here. And then may mga, dito kayo magpapapicture. And then may mga rides naman. So as you can see guys. Yan siya. Yung luge doon sa part na yun. So guys, yan yung luge. Ay, luge. Tawag dito. Zorbit. Is that the Zorbit? So guys, this is the left side from the entrance. As you can see, meron siyang mga cottages dito guys. So, ito yung mga cottages. Ayan, mga cottages siya. Na nasa forest. Ayan. Tapos may mga animals din dito na na ginawa nila yung mga elephant. Yan guys, malilit. So guys, we are here sa ilahang mura siya og cafe ay restaurant dito sa sulod sa Dahilayan. And hindi siya masyadong expensive guys kasi yung cappuccino nila dito ay 105 pesos for the regular size like this one. So it takes around 2 hours to travel from the Cagayan de Oro City to Barangay Dahilayan. And the entrance fee for the adult is 100 pesos. So I took a video of the mga fees nila and you can check lang there sa video. So yes, I think we are going na pud. We are now going back to the city. So I think we only stayed here for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm with the 5 senior citizens and 1 baby mine. Hi, you say hi. Okay. Dead mashabesh. So let's go. Touch the tummy of the gorilla. Come here, what's the sound of the gorilla? Come here, louder sa Ali. So we are already here at the hotel in the city, and we only traveled for 1 hour and 15 minutes from Dahilayan, and I am here sa Cafe Laguna. We are going to have our lunch. So sobrang affordable lang yung nila guys, yung mga services nila. So pwede doon, and mabilis lang, no, from Cagayan de Oro City, mabilis din yung travel. It's safe and hindi siya masyadong ma-traffic dun sa place. Yeah, so guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification on the side and be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye!